In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two people into one photo using Chat GPT. We'll walk through the process from opening the site to sending a clear prompt so you get a natural, realistic result. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Chat GPT, then press Enter. From the results, click the official Chat GPT website to open it. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can upload files. Before you write anything, get your photos ready. Look for the small plus icon next to the message box. Click that, then choose Add Photos and Files. A file picker will open. Select the two pictures you want to merge. To choose both at once, hold the Control key on your keyboard while clicking each photo. On a Mac, you can use Command instead. Pick clear, high-quality photos with similar lighting and angles whenever possible. This gives the best, most believable merge. Now, it's time to write a strong prompt. In the message box, you can use something like, "Please merge both people into one realistic, natural-looking photo as if they were photographed together at the same time. Do not alter their identity. The final result should look like a genuine photograph." After that, add the details that matter. Describe the scene you want: pose, background, camera distance, and mood. For example, you might specify that they're standing side by side, softly smiling, with warm indoor lighting and a simple background. The more clearly you describe the setting, the easier it is to match both photos convincingly. When your photos are attached and your prompt is ready, click Submit. ChatGPT will process the images and generate a merged photo based on your instructions. Give it a moment to work. High-resolution uploads can take a little longer. Here's a helpful tip to improve results. Use the sharpest versions of your photos and try to match the direction of light and head angles between the two pictures. Explicitly instruct ChatGPT to preserve each person's identity without blending facial features, and be specific about realism. If anything looks off, like mismatched lighting, skin tones, or scale, refine your prompt with a short follow-up, asking to adjust those exact elements and keep identities unchanged. Precise guidance leads to a more authentic, natural-looking photograph. And that's it. You've searched for ChatGPT, opened the site, uploaded your two photos, written a clear prompt, and submitted it to get a realistic merged image.